Hello, it's good to have you here. If you're a beginner or almost there, this one is for you. You know that feeling? Someone speaks English fast and your brain just freezes? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's the thing, you don't need to be perfect today. You just need to listen. Today we're stepping inside a real American coffee shop. You'll hear everyday conversations. Natural, fast, real. And here's your mission question for today. When you think in English, do you translate or do you just feel the words? Think about it. Drop your answer in the comments. Right now, I'll wait. Okay, let's go. This is Lucas. He moved to the US 3 weeks ago. His English, pretty good on paper. But speaking? That's a different story. Today, Lucas is walking into a coffee shop for the first time. Not a big chain. A small, cozy place on the corner. He can smell the coffee from outside. He takes a breath. Pushes the door open. Inside, it's warm, soft music. People talking quietly. There's a short line. 2 people ahead of him. Lucas looks at the menu on the wall. His brain starts working fast.
Okay, coffee. I want coffee. How do I say this right?
He starts building the sentence, then translating it, word by word. The line moves. 1 person left ahead of him. Lucas grips his phone. He's ready. Maybe. The person in front steps aside, and then it's his turn. Here's what happens next. Watch closely. The woman behind the counter smiles. Her name tag says, Jess.
Hey, what can I get you?
Lucas opens his mouth. In his head, a full sentence.
I want a coffee with milk.
He tries to translate it, word by word.
I want a coffee with...
Jez waits, still smiling. No pressure.
Hi. A latte, please.
Of course, hot or iced?
Lucas blinks. He didn't prepare for that question.
Hot or iced? Hot or iced?
And then something clicks. He doesn't translate. He just feels it.
Hot. Definitely hot.
Love it. What size? Another question. No warning.
Size. Small, medium, large. Okay, I know this. Medium, please.
Perfect. Can I get your name?
Lucas.
Love that name. Give me just a few minutes, okay?
Lucas exhales. That wasn't so bad. He steps to the side, looks around. There's a small display by the register. Pastries, muffins, croissants. His stomach growls.
Okay, do I want something to eat?
He walks back to the counter. Jess is still there.
Hey, sorry. Quick question.
Sure, what's up?
The muffin, what flavor is it?
Blueberry, super fresh, made today.
Oh, nice. And the croissant?
Plain butter, super flaky, so good.
Blueberry muffin or plain croissant?
He didn't translate that. He just pictured both and chose.
I'll take the muffin.
Great choice. I'll add it to your order.
Lucas steps back again, but the line behind him has grown. 4 people now. One of them, a guy, mid-30s, looks impatient. Lucas feels it. That pressure. And then Jess calls out,
Lucas, your latte's ready.
He walks up, takes the cup.
Careful, it's really hot.
Thanks so much.
Enjoy. Have a great day.
You too.
He turns around. The guy who looked impatient? He nods. A small nod. Like, nice job, man. Lucas smiles. Finds a table by the window. Sets down his latte. Takes a breath. Lucas wraps both hands around the cup. It's warm. Comforting.
Okay, that happened. I did that.
He takes a sip. looks out the window.
Hot or iced? I didn't even think. I just said hot. Medium. I just said medium. I didn't translate that.
He breaks off a piece of the muffin. It's good. Really good.
The croissant looked good too, though. Maybe tomorrow I try the sandwich.
He looks around the coffee shop. People working on laptops, two friends laughing quietly, a kid drawing in a notebook. Lucas feels something shift. Not perfect English, not zero mistakes, just real.
I can do this.
He opens his phone, types a voice memo in English.
Today I ordered coffee, and I didn't freeze.
He smiles, takes another sip. The coffee is good. The moment is better. And that's our story for today. Lucas walked in nervous. He walked out confident, not because his English was perfect, because he stopped translating and started feeling. So back to your mission question. When you think in English, do you translate or do you just feel the words? Tell me in the comments. No wrong answers, ever. If this helped you today, hit like. It helps more people find this. And subscribe, because next time, Lucas is going back and something unexpected happens. See you next class. Bye-bye.